How to make stream overlay easily. Creating a stream overlay enhances your live stream's appearance and engagement. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make your own stream overlay from the scratch. Now, say for example, you don't have any stream overlay just like what I have right now, and you want to create your own, then here's how we are going to do it. Go ahead and open canva.com, and here in Canva, we're just going to go ahead and look for stream overlay in here. So there are already pre-made that is available that we can use right now, so go ahead and choose what you want. So in my case, say for example, I'm gonna be using this one here. Alright, this is how it looks right now, and we're just going to go ahead and continue or try to use this one. Now, in order for us to make this personalized, now we're going to change a few things in here. So for example, for the color, I'm going to go ahead and change this one. Yep, that's the color that we are using. We're going to go ahead and change it to black. Black because that is what we have in our channel, right? Now, instead of blue, also we're going to go ahead and change this one to yellow, the yellow that we are using for our channel. Alright, there you go. So we have changed that one, this one as well, change this to black. Right, and yeah, this is going to be changed as well to yellow. Okay, this particular yellow in there. The same thing for the others. Now this time I'm just going to go ahead and make a few changes in here. Alright, there you go. So we have already customized this one according to what we want, or according to our preferences. Now let's go ahead and try to apply this one. So how are we going to do that? We're just going to go ahead and save this one. So just go ahead and click this one here. Now go ahead and download it. Alright, there you go. So we have already downloaded that one. We're going to go back here. Now we're going to go ahead and basically make a sample scene. Alright, just like so. There is still a transition in there, and that's amazing. Now we're going to go ahead and click the sources, media file, and we're going to add that one earlier. So this is going to be the one that we are gonna be using for an overlay. Now click browse and then look for that one. Now you have to loop this one to make sure that it is going to go back and repeat. Close this and you are done. So yep, just go ahead and try to put your main screen in here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and put my display capture. Alright, just like so. Now click this one here. Or yeah, you can use this one here. This is the existing one. We're just going to go ahead and basically realign this one. Alright, now we can go ahead and put our chat box and our webcam in there. So video capture, okay, webcam, add source. Yep, there you go. For the webcam, actually you can go ahead and adjust this one. Go ahead and press Alt, and there you go, like that. But yeah, I don't have a webcam, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. Instead of that, what I want to do is put my bongo cat. Alright, so this is going to act as my video. Because I think this is very cute. Alright, just like so. Now for the chat box, you can definitely do that one as well. So we're going to go ahead and look for our chat box. There you go. Click this one, click add source, and we're going to go ahead and put our chat box in there. Now again, you can go ahead and put your real chat box. So yep, there you go. Alright, something like that. Now this is how it looks right now, and as you can see, this is very sleek. So yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to make your own stream overlay easily. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials, from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.